What's the best seat at the FIFA World Cup?
I started all the way at the highest seat where you can see everything. But I'm a little scared of heights, so 9 out of 10. Next, I went down these super cool stairs to the middle section and sat in the corner. I am so close that I feel like I'm one missed penalty kick away from catching the ball. So 8.25 out of 10. Then I went all the way down right behind the goal to get the perfect view for when my team scores. The only problem is, if they score on the other side, you're just watching everyone else have fun.
So 7.67 out of 10.
But apparently broadcast media can get even closer where I'm literally standing next to the benches. I low-key feel like I'm part of the team, but I also feel like my head would hurt from being this close. Like, the ball goes left, the player goes right, the coach is yelling, and the ref is arguing. I'm getting a neck workout. So this is an 8.9 out of 10. The high seat